Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine, dear. You know that this is your class 5th NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we are going to read the chapter Who Will Do This Work. Are you watching? There is a lot of garbage on the roadside, on the pool side, on the river side, and you must have seen the garbage in the drain, etc. So we all, you know that we all clean our houses, but have you ever thought that the garbage on these type of places are collected? Who clean that? Who take the responsibility to clean this type of places? In this chapter we will read, is this the responsibility of some special people? Are we not responsible for this? Are you watching this picture? This picture and this too. Are you watching this picture? That there are some people who are doing the work in the pile of the garbage. There are some people who are standing in the chamber that has a lot of dirty, that is too much dirty. There are some people who are having some garbage, some dirty garbage from one place to another. A person is cleaning or he is brooming the staircases. So and you know that we all throw this garbage and we clean our home, but you know that these type of people clean these type of places with their hands, and they are ready to do this work. They are ready to do this dirty job. Why? You know, dear students, that the people throw the garbage in the drain or outside of their houses and on the roadside, that sometimes block the drainage system and pollute our atmosphere. If this remain blocked and no one clean that, then so many diseases would spread and our ways would be blocked and dirty, and there would be no place to move from one place to another. So you know, dear students, that some people are there who do this work, and you know that there is a caste that is believed lower. Are uh, these people are belong to the caste that is believed lower. These are called the scheduled caste, the other backward classes by the government of India to classify caste which are educationally or socially disadvantaged. It is one of the several official classification of the population in India, along with general class, scheduled caste, and scheduled tribes. So some questions are here. So let's answer. The questions are here. Have you seen such scenes around you? So you can answer yes, I have seen such scenes around. Question number 2. Have you ever thought of people who do this work? Can you imagine how they would feel? The people who have to do this work feel it very difficult, dirty, hard, and laborious. Question number 3. Why do you think people need to do this kind of work? So people need to do this work due to poverty and due to be uneducated. Due to being uneducated. Our friends spoke to some staff who do cleaning job. Here are some of the things they told us. The question: since when have you been doing this work? There is a staff that does this work. So someone is asking question to them. So the question is, since when have you been doing this work? The answer is about 20 years since I completed my studies. Question number 2. Why did you not study further? You could have got some other job. So he answered that you need money for studies, and even after that most of our people continue to do this kind of work. She asked the next question, what do you mean? The staff answered, since our great grandfather's time, or even before that, most people of our community have been doing this work. Even after getting a college degree, or people do not get any other kind of job, so they have to do this work. Why? Because of their community, because their community is believed lower. Why is that so? So she that answered, that is that is the way it is in the entire city. All the people who do this kind of work are from our community. It has always been so. Some questions are here. Talk with people who do cleaning job around your house and school. So, first question, since when have you been doing this work? How much have they studied? Have they tried to look for some other work? Did the elders in their family also do this work, and what kind of difficulties they face in doing this work? So here answer of all the questions. This is the answer number 1. They have been working for at least for the last 15 to 20 years. This is the answer number 2. Most of them have studied only up to 5th class. This is the answer number 3. No, they have not tried to look for any other work. The next question, the answer number 4. Yes, the elders in their family also do this work. What kind of difficulties do they face in doing this work? So this is the answer. They have to face many difficulties while doing this work, such as they have to face excessively foul smelling garbage, due to which they might suffer from many health related problems. The next, the other people look them with hatred and consider them as belonging to a low and backward community. This is the third point. Even if they study, they do not get good job. So dear students, this is the first part of the chapter, and in this chapter we learn that there are some jobs, some people that do this type of dirty job. They have to do this type of job because of their poverty, because of their lower caste. They, after having so much knowledge, after getting so much qualification, they are not allowed to do any other job. They are to do this job only. So these people are called the scheduled caste or backward class. We will meet in the next part of the chapter. Till then, good day.